Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. Okay, so I was looking for a rejection lower. We didn't get it till really late in the day, and the market chewed me up pretty good. I probably had the roughest morning I've had in a while yesterday. I mean, all's well that ended well. We ended up about 10 on the day, but we did a swing from down 14 to the last two trades of the day. We're up 24. And I carried a short from 68.75 overnight that I let go all the way back up and stop me out, because at that point you had to wonder whether they were going to go ahead and just completely crack it overnight. But they walked it right up into the Europe Open, retested that 71 area, which was yesterday's regular session open, and then they crushed it for about 30 handles, which, you know, it had swept me out in the course of doing that. But what we found yesterday was, as we got up into 86, then 80, 81, 77, 78, which was they just couldn't sustain it. Now, whether that's the end of this last little 3-day rally job, I don't know. That's what today is about. Do we hold that high? Do we break this low, which is down at 31.75? If we do, then I think we were going to end up going back down and retesting this 25.83. If the bulls can avert that and break above 86.5 and deal with, now you've got, you see the daily midband here at 2690.2. Well, here's your weekly pivot at 2690.67. So, you know, 2690 is going to be a big area above below every time it gets reached. You can see they made an attempt yesterday, didn't happen. They still couldn't quite get there. You can see the hourly mid-band. You can see the bands tightening up a little bit. Nothing extensive. Nothing that's really going to make you say, oh, say hello to expansion day. We're not quite there yet. But you can see the hourly mid-band is much more interested in being resistance than it is support. So I'll be very interested to see how the morning goes once we get opened up and going. So look, I expect another whippy, choppy, whippy type open that's gonna, you know, pick, you know, the last two opens they have been picking everybody's pocket, long and short. So I expect, you know, I don't expect that to change. But once it decides what it wants to do directionally, that's where we've really been able to find the handles. Yesterday it was on the long side, then on the short side. So let it open up. Be patient with it. Don't be surprised if we don't whip and chop around, call it 26.56 to 26.61 for a decent half hour, 45 minutes once we get into the day. The key is who's going to win the battle of that zone. Whoever wins the battle of that zone is going to get the balance of the day. So everybody have a good one. The room is clicking. Another 100 handle week. And, you know, I had talked in October, November, warning people, look, it is not going to be a sleepy December. It is absolutely not going to be a sleepy December. All these issues swirling around the tape are not going to go away just because we're all hanging up Christmas lights. And that's, you know, that has remained the case. So it's been another really nice trading month. So take care. Lots of stuff out on social. Check that out. Come check us out. I think you'll like what you find. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.